Hi, I'm Miguel from Delphi. In this video, we'll learn how to adapt a low-pressure EGR valve after its replacement in a diesel vehicle. To perform this function, we first connect our Delphi BlueTech diagnostic tool and check for fault codes within the engine ECU. The OBD port on this Mercedes is underneath the steering wheel, next to the pedals. When connected, the VCI will light up white to show it's powered. With the vehicle powered on, we use the VIN scan option in the DS software. After finalizing the vehicle details, we can connect to the engine. After we cleared all stored error codes, we proceed to the adjustment function of the new component via the BlueTech menu. After the adjustment and adaptation operation of the new EGR valve, we check again for any errors created during the process and clear them. At this point, after having performed the basic adjustment of the secondary or low-pressure EGR valve, we will conduct a dynamic road test in order to thoroughly complete the repair process. Upon completion of the dynamic test, we perform a final check in the corresponding ECU and ensure that everything is correct and the problem is resolved. At this moment, the vehicle is ready to be delivered to the customer, fully repaired and tested. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media or visit the Masters of Motion online hub for more videos. And if you want to keep learning with us, check out the expert courses at our Delphi Academy. See you soon.